Hello friends, today in this video I come up with Amazon coupons. As we all know that it is very difficult to find verified and working Amazon coupons on any external website because some of the available coupons are either expired or they are not working. Therefore, I created this video which will not only help you to get verified coupons but also to get some real deals while shopping online or your favorite online store Amazon. In this video, I will tell you how you can get verified coupons on its own official website. What you will have to do, just watch this video till the end to know more about it. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Now you can see this is an Amazon coupons page. As I mentioned earlier, here you will get all the verified and available coupons. I have provided the link in the description box below so you can visit the page directly. But spare few more seconds and learn more about the complete procedure, which certainly will help you to know how to use these Amazon coupons. You can further segregate them such as most popular coupons, home and kitchen coupons. So to activate them, you just have to click on the clip coupon link. Okay, let us clip this coupon which help us to save $5 on buying weekend food container. And next one is for hardcover planners, which can reduce our total cost to 20%. As soon as we clip these coupons, it will automatically add to our basket and will be applicable at the time of checkout. Simply, if you have selected particular coupon like $5 off, then you will get additional saving of $5.